This is lesson 10.3.3, problem 10.132a. In this problem, we have an absolute value inequality, and we need to solve and graph the solutions to this problem. So we're given the absolute value of x minus 2 is greater than 3. So what this problem is saying is what's inside of my absolute value has to be more than 3 units away from 0. And it can be more than 3 units away from 0 in either direction, okay? So it needs to either be more than 3 units away in this direction, so to the right, or more than 3 units away in this direction, to the left, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to set ourselves up with two different inequalities to solve here. So we've got that the stuff that's on the inside, okay, inside of my absolute value, that needs to be, now I want to represent this right-hand side, so it has to be more than 3 units away, right, greater than 3, all right, or we have that stuff on the inside of the absolute value, now we need to represent more than 3 units away to the left. And that looks a little different because now the boundary point is not positive 3, right? It's a negative 3. And to show that we want the numbers that are going this way, we have to change that greater than to a less than, okay? So for that left-hand side there, we need to have x minus 2 is less than negative 3. And then we will solve these two problems. So we get that x is less than negative 1, or x is greater than 5. Okay, so those are my solutions. So those, any numbers that are greater than 5 or less than negative 1, if I put those into my absolute value inequality up here, then, and I solve it, I will get numbers that are greater than 3. Okay? So then I'm going to graph this on a number line. All right, so I know that one of my solutions is x is greater than 5. So it's just greater than, there's no equal to sign, so open circle on 5. And x can be any number greater than 5. The other piece of it is that x is less than negative 1. So open circle on negative 1 because it cannot equal negative 1. And numbers that are less than negative 1 are to the left. All right. So we've solved to get our solutions, and then we graph those solutions on a number line.